Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Kraken account, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your Kraken account, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Kraken website at www.kraken.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in the required fields with your email address and create a strong password. Select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy by checking the appropriate box. Click on the Create Account button to submit your information. Check your email for a confirmation message from Kraken. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Kraken website. Log in using your email and newly created password. To enable full account functionality, you will need to complete the identity verification process. Click on your profile icon located in the top right corner. Select Get Verified from the drop-down menu. Choose the type of account you want to create, such as a personal or a business account. Fill out the required information, including your personal details and identification documents. Upload a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, to verify your identity. You may also need to provide proof of residence, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Once all documents are uploaded, submit your verification request. The verification process typically takes a few minutes, but it can take longer depending on the volume of requests. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation email. After verification, log back into your Kraken account. Navigate to the Funding tab to add funds to your account. Select your preferred payment method, such as a bank transfer or credit/debit card. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your deposit. Your Kraken account is now fully activated and ready for trading. You can start exploring the various features available on the platform. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the security settings to protect your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.